Doggy. We have a little doggy, and his name is Mr. Mellow, and yes, I must admit it, he's a handsome little fellow. He's part Chihuahua, part Min Pin, and his hair is shiny black. When displaying personality, this little guy shows no lack. 12 or 13 pounds at most is what our doggy weighs, and amid sun rays beaming on the floor is where he loves to laze. Stuffed animals and rubber balls are what he likes the best, and after playing heartily, he takes a little rest. Spotting me relaxing, he will leap upon my lap, and thus he's found another place to take his little nap. He's a nosy little critter, and he watches all we do, and when we're at the table he will race to be there too. The food we may be having might be pasta, beef, or eggs, but no matter what the menu is, he just sits there and begs. It's hard to turn him down, so we give him just a bit, and all of this is just because we taught him how to sit. Yes, he brings us joy and pleasure, and he will throughout his life, and always love him true will I, and will Carolyn, my wife.